In today's video, I am going to teach you how to print multiple real estate pop-by tags on one page from Canva. If you are getting ready for a client drop, buy or event, this method lets you place several finished tags on a single page so you can print efficiently on sturdy cardstock and trim them cleanly afterward. Start by opening Canva and creating a new design using a standard page size. Choose a letter at 8.5 by 11 inches if you are in the United States, or a 4 if that's what you normally print. A blank page at the exact paper size ensures everything lines up correctly at the printer and prevents unwanted scaling later. Next, grab your finished tag. Open your existing single tag design, click Share, and download it as a PNG. A PNG preserves crisp edges and colors, which is ideal for small items like tags. Then go back to your blank page. Open the Uploads panel, upload that PNG, and place it onto the canvas. You now have one perfect tag ready to duplicate. Arrange the tags into a clean grid to maximize space, leaving a small margin around the edges for cutting. A small 1/4 inch margin around the page and between tags gives you room to trim without clipping the design. Drag the tag into position near a corner, then duplicate it to build your first row. Canva's pink alignment lines will appear as you move items. Use those guides to keep spacing even both horizontally and vertically. Once your first row is spaced the way you like, select the entire row. Click Group, and duplicate that grouped row to fill the page quickly. This keeps everything consistent and saves you from nudging items one by one. Zoom in periodically to confirm gaps are consistent, and make sure no tag crosses the page edge or sits too close to it. When your page is full, click Share. Then download. Choose PDF print as the file type for the highest quality. PDF print preserves vector shapes and sharp text, so edges look clean. If you plan to use a professional printer, check crop marks and bleed so they have clear trim guides. If you are printing at home, leaving that unchecked is fine. Finally, open the PDF and print it at 100% scale on your preferred cardstock. In the print dialog, select actual size or 100% rather than fit to page, so your tags stay true to the size you designed. If you want extra certainty, do a quick test print on plain paper before committing to cardstock. Trim along your grid and you are done. Thanks for watching.